In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share recorded Zoom videos. If you've just finished a meeting and want to get that recording into the right hands or show it again in a future call, this quick walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. Start by opening the Zoom desktop app. On the main dashboard, look toward the bottom left for the small gear icon that opens Settings. Click that, and in the menu that appears, select Recording. This is where Zoom keeps all the preferences for your local recordings, including where they're stored on your computer. You'll see the storage location displayed, along with a button labeled Open. Go ahead and click Open. Your computer's file browser will pop up directly in the folder where Zoom saves your meeting recordings. Inside, you'll typically see folders named by date and meeting title. Open the folder you need, and you'll find your video file, usually in MP4 format, along with any related audio or chat files Zoom created. It's a good idea to double-click the video and play a few seconds to confirm it's the correct meeting and that the audio sounds clear. From here, you can share the recording as a file. If the video is small enough, you can attach it to an email or drop it into a chat. Often, recordings can be large, so uploading the MP4 to a cloud storage service and sharing a link is more reliable. As a helpful touch, consider renaming the file with a clear, descriptive title and date before you share it, so recipients know exactly what they're getting. You can also share the recording on screen during your Zoom meetings. When you're in a live meeting and ready to show the video, use the share screen option and select the player window or the video file. For the best experience, remember to enable share sound so everyone can hear the audio, and choose the option to optimize for video clip if it's available. That way, playback looks and sounds smooth for your participants. And that's all there is to it. Open Zoom, head to Settings, go to Recording, click Open to jump to the storage folder, and then either share the file directly or play it during a meeting. With these simple steps and a couple of quick tips, you'll be able to get your recordings in front of your audience quickly and professionally.